What's good, YouTube? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Yanieki. I'm the owner of this channel. Right. So today is the first. This is the first video with me alone, so nobody else not beside of me. And as you can see down below in the title, I'll be giving you 22 life lessons that I've learned in 22 years. Let's get into this video. Number 1, enjoy every moment of your youth life. I'll go look on the paper because I read that first. So number 1 is enjoy every moment of your youth life. It doesn't make no sense you're young and you find every excuse not for going now at least once per your lifetime while you're actually young. Enjoy your youth days. Number 2, surround yourself with people who does not contribute negativity in your life or within your safe space. If you don't understand what I say. If them not good, none at all, it don't make no sense. You can't take them toxic waste in your life. Move on. Number 3, manifest good over your life. Anything positive, anything good, even if you don't think you can get it now, manifest it. You must get it one day. Know yourself. Number 4, good things don't come easy. Don't feel pressured or demotivated because others get it before you. Wait your turn. Alright. Number 5, life is not fair. Do not let that stop you from pushing harder for what you want. No matter how hard or how long you have to wait for it. Guys, me a sweat because the time out. Number 6, your health is so valuable. Try to maintain good health. Even if you can't afford it, you can actually do things that you can afford or actually good for yourself. You don't have to buy nothing dear or go gym and them something they try where you can actually afford or maintain with your health. You got a doctor if you can't afford it. If you can't afford it, go a doctor Google, right? You got a doctor Google sometime. But if you can afford the doctor, you actually go check up yourself, go see what's wrong with you. If you can't afford it, drink bush tea or something, I don't know. But try to maintain good health. Number 6, you cannot please everyone and that is okay. You're not gonna say that back over. You cannot please everyone and that is okay. So even if somebody are gonna feel some type of way because you're where you are said to them not really add up, it add up to you. You don't need to explain yourself or feel pressured about the fact that you can actually please them. Sometimes you just have to do you. Number 8, do more, say less. Sometimes you have stuff where you need to do or stuff where you do. People don't have to know everything. Do more, say less. It's quite clear as how it's said. Number 9, be productive. Do not expect that things should always be handed to you. Let me read it over again. Be productive. Do not expect that things should always be handed to you. So you're young and everything you expect, say your parents or your significant other supposed to contribute to you. Some things you just have to do it yourself, and it better to actually do it yourself, right? Independence. Yeah. Number 10, treating yourself is so important. Do not let anyone say different. As I say, if you have to treat yourself based on your budget, that's what you're going to do. Because what you try to do is stay in your lane. You're not going to pressure yourself for do what other people can do. If you can't afford that, You treat yourself to, or if you buy one little ice cream for yourself, you never eat ice cream or the flavor there for the entire time in your life, you do something new. Treat yourself because of you that. Number 11, not everyone will stay into your life forever. You just have to accept that some people, down at the back of the page, that you meet is just a part of your journey now. Not all of them are meant to stay in your life. Number 12, don't take anything for granted. Whether time, people, any little thing that happen in your life, do not take it for granted because life short and it's unexpected. Don't take it for granted. Number 13, whoever is trying to bring you down is already below you. So no matter what them want to do to you, that's a for them problem. Nobody make you feel less of yourself and them somebody. Just know so them they below you. Because the moment them take the time out to feed them there for actually put them time and them energy based on you are where you are do with your life, it means a lot. You're most important. Number 14, life's greatest lessons are usually learned from our worst times and from the worst mistakes. So we go through some stuff back then we would have so regret, but why regret it? Because if we never go through it, well, why would I be wiser now? So thanks for the mistakes, thanks for the worst moments. It make you wiser right now. It make me wiser right now. So yeah. Number 15, stop doubting yourself, work hard and make it happen. The moment you doubt yourself, nobody else can push you. Because in your mind you can't do it. And with them push you, still I go say you can't do it. You have to push yourself before somebody else push you. I have a drop. Next. Number 16. Forgive and understand that hey, this or that happened and I'm not going to put myself through that again. No matter what kind of situation it may be, just know say you're not going to make it ruin you or make it stop you from actually move on with yourself mentally, physically, all of them, shally day, whatever. Number 17, don't let your emotions make your decisions. Certain bad decisions sometimes come from how you feel, and that's not really healthy for you and you're in your mental space. So do not let your emotions make your decision. Think about it before you actually make the decision. Number 18, learn to say no without explaining yourself. You have some people where them things say you're supposed to tell them exactly why you not do this or why you not do that or why you cannot do that. Learn for actually know say yeah, you say no, you don't need to say nothing else, you don't say no and I eat that. Number 19, ensure to start your day with a clear mind and clear head space. Try doing that and you see how certain stuff can happen during the day, but at least you start your day actually nice. You bathe, you fresh up yourself, you eat a little breakfast, you do something and you put in a little motivation. You have so much apps, you have so much quotes, so you can actually look on daily quotes, download the app or something where you can actually start your day right. Pray anything with actually set your mind or make your mind clear enough for not make nobody can actually spoil your day. Do that. Number 20, time waits on no one, and this have to do with me need to actually sit down and tell myself this every time, because the procrastination thing it not gonna work. Me just I go put it off and I'm not gonna see no look of progress from it, and that have to stop. Number 21, know when to walk away, and this is so important. This is so important to actually know when you're not supposed to stay certain space enough for the day. If you feel uncomfortable in that position, that simply means that you are not welcome there, and from you're not welcome there and your space that way you're supposed to be. Stop adding fire to fire, whether a friendship, relationship or some unwanted drama. If you can walk away, you walk away. But if you cannot, then but learn and know actually when to walk away from certain situations when I make no sense to you. Number 22 and final. Be you, enjoy being you, respect yourself enough to know that certain situation is not needed in your life. And these are the final ones, so I'm gonna say it back over. Be you, enjoy being you, respect yourself enough to know that certain situations is not needed in your life. And that has a lot to say, because why you gonna just have your young days and you not even know what you like or what you dislike, what you feel like you would have tried and all of that. So be yourself, respect yourself enough to know certain stuff, and your style that, and your zone that, and your little space that. And it goes back to 21, know when to walk away from certain stuff in your life. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you actually learned something from me. If you have something else or you actually learn, you can actually comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me something where you actually learn tell me something what you are learning right now. Because each day you come up, you grow up, you actually have a lot to learn. Because 22 stuff, I learn more than that, but I'm just state it because girl at 22 now, yeah. So I'm telling you 22 stuff I'm actually learn, how I'm actually still have to learn from, yeah. So don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share, and all of them something there. Follow me on all social medias. I only know the Instagram out of my head right now. Instagram at Yanieki _. I think TikTok at Yanieki __. I don't really do much on TikTok, but I do it still. I'm a TikToker now. Yes. Bye.